The term control describes all operations that are necessary in order to distribute a document to its designated recipients. Control procedures often encompass several interim steps such as inspection and approval of the document or conducting applicable trainings. In order for a document to undergo a control procedure, you will first have to define the users who should perform the individual control operations. Such responsibilities are assigned in the team matrix. The team matrix can be defined separately for each individual document. It can, however, also be defined at project or folder level. The definition will then be passed on to all subordinate levels, saving you from having to enter it manually for each individual document. In this example, the team matrix will be defined at folder level. This Process tab allows you to determine who will be able to edit the subordinate documents as well as the recipients whom the document will be made available to. Furthermore, it allows you to appoint the control teams who will be responsible for performing the individual control steps. Which control teams have to be assembled depends on the underlying control definition. In this example, the control definition selected for implementing the documents in this folder outlines a basic control procedure consisting of an inspection and the approval of the document. When allocating the processes, recipients and the control teams, the team matrix can be populated with individual persons or person groups. For practical reasons, we recommend adding person groups rather than individual persons wherever possible. The documents in this folder are to be inspected by the Quality Assurance Department, approved by company management and then distributed to the entire company. When all responsibilities have been assigned, you can initiate the control procedure for the subordinate documents via the control menu. This menu provides access to all control functions. To initiate the control procedure for newly created or revised documents, use the Implement New Version function. A submenu lists all control steps designated for the selected control function and allows you to initiate the control steps that need to be executed next. In this example, the first control step is inspection. Now the designated inspectors will receive a notification that a new document is pending inspection and they can perform the relevant operation. When the inspection has been completed, the document will be passed on to the approver and then be distributed to the selected recipients. Documents that are pending inspection, approval or acknowledgement by the user are listed in the Unresolved Processes Replies view or the corresponding website. This view shows which control operation is to be conducted by the user. To inspect a document, open it, view it, and then either accept or reject it. Once the inspection is complete, the next control step will be initiated automatically and the document will be passed on to the designated approver. The approval operation follows the same procedures as the inspection. Again, you can view the document and then either approve or reject it. The document will now be distributed. Documents which require user acknowledgement upon distribution can be viewed, and are acknowledged by ticking the corresponding checkbox. The distribution operation is complete when all recipients have acknowledged the document. The document has now undergone all steps of the control procedure and is fully implemented.